In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Squadbusters account. First, open Squadbusters and head to the Settings menu. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen represented by a three-line menu icon. Tap on it to open the main settings. Once in the Settings menu, look for the More Settings option. This is where you'll find additional features and account options. Tap More Settings to continue. Scroll through the More Settings menu until you see the option that says Delete My Account. Tap on it, and a pop-up panel will appear on your screen. This panel will guide you through the account deletion process. At this point, you'll need to accept cookies to fully access the support article. After doing so, look for the Message Support button within the pop-up panel. Tapping this button will allow you to connect with Squadbusters support team, who will assist you with your request. In the message to support, clearly state that you'd like to delete your Squadbusters account. The support team will confirm your request and begin the account removal process. Usually, your account will be deleted within a few minutes after you send this request. And there you have it, your Squadbusters account should now be deleted.